Hi friend. Ready for an English learning adventure? We've got 4 fun sessions to sharpen your skills. If you're new, try setting the speed to 0.75 or 0.5. You can also enable subtitles in your language for better understanding. Part 1 is listening. Start by listening to a chat between Tim and me. No pressure, just enjoy the flow and see how much you can catch. Tim. Why are you talking to a banana?
Shh, I'm on a call with Mr. Monkey.
Tim, that's not a real phone.
Maybe not to you, but it's a very important call.
What are you even talking about?
Monkey says we need more bananas. Urgently.
That sounds absurd.
Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge.
Okay, Einstein. But use the real phone next time. Okay, Tim, put down the banana. We need to go.
Wait, it's ringing again.
Tim.
No, seriously. Busy. It's vibrating now.
Tim, bananas don't vibrate. Wait, is that my phone under the banana?
Plot twist?
You hid my phone under a banana?
I didn't hide it. I protected it like a banana blanket.
Well done on successfully finishing part 1. Now part 2 is vocabulary. I'll show you some new words, and by the end, you'll be using them like a local. Blanket. A cozy cover that keeps you warm. Example 1. I sleep with a big blue blanket. Example 2. She gave the baby a small blanket. Real. Not fake, not pretend. Example 1. Is that a real diamond? Example 2. That's not a real dragon. It's a toy. Wait. To stop and give time before something happens. Example 1. Wait. Don't open the door yet. Example 2. Please wait in line.
Here are some advanced vocabularies for you. Absurd. Very silly or not logical at all. Example 1. Wearing shoes on your head is absurd. Example 2. That story sounds absurd. Cats can't fly. Eco-friendly. Not harmful to the environment. Example 1. I use an eco-friendly bag instead of plastic. Example 2. Biking to school is eco-friendly. Vibrating. Moving quickly back and forth like a phone on silent mode. Example 1. My phone is vibrating in my pocket. Example 2. The speaker is vibrating from the loud music.
Now, let's master some essential phrases. Why are you? To ask someone what they're doing. Example 1. Why are you hiding under the table? Example 2. Why are you laughing so much? What are you even? To show confusion or surprise. Example 1. What are you even saying? Example 2. What are you even doing in the fridge? Plot twist. A sudden surprise or change in a story. Example 1. The villain was the hero's dad. Plot twist. Example 2. She wasn't late, she was the teacher. Plot twist. Great work on getting this far, my friend. I'm really proud of you. Now part 3 is shadowing. Mimic the speaker's lines and get that pronunciation on point. By the end, you'll sound like a native yourself.
Shh, I'm on a call with Mr. Monkey. Maybe not to you, but it's a very important call. Monkey says we need more bananas. Urgently. Einstein said imagination is more important than knowledge. Wait, it's ringing again. No, seriously. Busy. It's vibrating now. Plot twist? I didn't hide it. I protected it like a banana blanket.
Tim, why are you talking to a banana? Tim, that's not a real phone. What are you even talking about? That sounds absurd. Okay, Einstein. But use the real phone next time. Okay, Tim, put down the banana. We need to go. Tim. Tim, bananas don't vibrate. Wait, is that my phone under the banana? You've hid my phone under a banana?
Wow, my friend, you made it all the way here. That's next level dedication, and just like June, I'm so proud of you. Final part, answering questions. I'll ask questions about the conversation and you'll answer quickly, no holding back. Let's build that fast-thinking English brain. What was Tim using as a phone? Answer: a banana. Who did Tim say he was calling? Answer, Mr. Monkey. Why did Tim say the banana phone is good? Answer, because it's eco-friendly.
Thanks for sticking around till the end. If you learned something, consider subscribing.
Let's boost your English together. See you next time.